So the first one, the mass x grams of a certain substance are present in a chemical reaction T satisfies this dE here. So where x is between 0 and half, so k is a constant. So given that x is half and dxdt is negative 1/4, and t when t equals to 0, so meaning to say you just need to substitute the value. This could be substituted into this guy. So for your k, that's about it. Like don't over. It's just 1 mark, so just sub it. Then the next thing will be you should get the answer. So you get this as 5/4. Then you will get k equals to negative a fifth. Okay, shown. That's it. Part 2 will be you're told to just complete the square. So complete the square first. Okay, then after that solve the dE. And this guy will be 1 minus x squared minus x 1 minus x minus half square minus half square. So you asked me to complete the square, so I just completed the square. Then you solve the dE. I think should be okay. It's separable form. So you just use this dE to solve it. But sub the k as negative 1/5 in. Okay, like that. Then you just, this is separable form, meaning to say dx and the entire x, this is entire entity, can be moved to one side. Then the other thing is dt and the minus 1/5 could also move to the other side. So you can separate it, solve it. Divide, just move this over to the other side, will be 1 over 5/4 x t 5th. This dt just multiply to the other side, right? So you can just solve it. So this will just be square root 5/2 square minus x minus half square dx. Okay, then you just multiply the dt to the other side. I like to put a 1 there because I like to put the minus 1/5 outside. Okay, but you want to put it inside also can. Here you just use MF27. So here you'll get 1/2. This is your a, root 5 over a, 2a, ln root 5/2 plus this x here over root 5/2 minus x minus 2 equals to minus 1/5 e plus c. Okay, so this is a common trick. We get rid of the 2 below, so I'm just gonna multiply by 2 the entire thing. Multiply top bottom with 2, so that this will be a nicer looking expression here. Root 5 plus 2x minus 1, root 5 minus 2x plus 1. What we do next is just when t is 0, x is equal to half. Just solve for the c. I think can sub here, it's quite root 5 ln then root 5. X is half, would just be, this will be 1 minus 1, 0. Then this is root 5 minus 1 plus 1, which is 0. So root 5 equals to 0 plus c. So this will be c equals to 0. Ln 1 is 0, so c is 0. So hence 1 over root 5 ln this c is 0. Okay, you can leave your answer like that. Or if you want to make it nicer, note that 5 root 5 is just root 5, right? You just multiply root 5 below. Root 5 top below, then it will be root 5. This is negative 1, can bring it up also. So you essentially take the reciprocal of the whatever is inside the ln. Okay, so this guy top bottom with ln 5 minus 2x plus 1 root 5 plus 2x plus 1. So you can express it either way is fine, like that. So for 3 part A, exact time for the mass of substance present to become half of its initial value. Initially, this is initial, T0 initial. So you want half, right? Meaning to say half divided by 2, which is 1/4. Okay. So essentially, you want the time taken when it achieve half of it. Basically, what you want to find the time when x is half 1/4. So just sub half inside, because you already have the expression there. Right? So ln root 5 minus half, which is negative half plus 1. They want the exact value. Then this is root 5 plus half minus 1. So I'm going to leave it here. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. What we get is root 5 ln 2 root 5 plus 1 over 2 root 5 minus 1 minutes. Okay, this is the minutes. Go. So the last one, the part B, time taken for none of the substance left would just be x equals 0 lah, present in the chemical. Give you answer in 3 dp. It's not bad also. So you just t equals to root 5 on 0, just sub 0 inside. This is when x equals to 0. Okay. Plus 1. Then you just key in calculator lor. They want how many dp's? 3 dp. The key in calculator you get 2.152 minutes. Okay, that's it. Last one. Make x a subject. This means make x a subject in terms of t lah. Catch part of the curve with this equation which is relevant to this context. Okay. So this case, just make x a subject. Okay, there's nothing inherently H2 math here. Is basically just algebraic manipulation. Bring it up is half root 5t equals to root 5 minus 2x plus 1 over root 5 2x minus 1. Cross multiply. So multiply in with 2e root 5 e root 5 minus 1 e root 5t2 x. So I like to see the root 5 and negative 1 together. Okay, you don't need to like multiply like 3 times. Then plus 2x equals to root 5 plus 1. So this is my x. Once you get this, really just key in calculator and sketch the curve lah. Okay. Just key in calculator lah. Like basically treat the x as the t. Go it down. There you go. Just sketch. So when you go to graph, you press graph, it looks weird, right? Which is weird lah. Something is wrong with my equation. Hold on. I keyed wrongly. So here, I keyed wrongly just now. So go to graph. It looks like that. In context of the question, you know that initially was what? Initially, it was half, right? Then it will empty out at this value here. It says that it will finish. It takes about this to become its initial value, right? Like so it takes about 2.125 minutes. So when you look at your GC, it starts, then it just decreases, right? In context of this question, meaning you only look at this region here. This region here. So you go to zoom, you zoom box, can you just scroll up, zoom box here, press enter. This is the region. You only need the proportion. This is guy here. Yeah. So this guy here, this is your 2.1252 lah. If you look at it fully, this calculate. Wait, x is 0. X is 0. Yeah. Press 0. Then you just go to wait, calculate 0. Enter. Here. Okay, this is 2.152. Okay, this is what we found. Then this one, when trace 0, this will be your 1/4 lah. They half. Okay, so there's that. It's slightly concave upwards. You see that the graph here is like concaving upwards. So this will be half. Then this guy will be 0 half. This guy will be 2.152, 0. Okay, that's it.